Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the episode 2 of matching the eyeshadow to the top. I'm wearing this really beautiful pink top and I'm thinking about doing a baby pink eyeshadow with like this shade of eyeliner. So let's get into it. I quickly went ahead and prepped my eyes. I concealed my eyes with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer, and I'm just setting them right now so they are ready for the base. The setup today is a little bit different. The lighting wasn't working out and I'm not even sure if this is looking any better, but I'm just gonna make the video now that, oh wow, okay, I think I could work like this. I've shifted my camera to get the best lighting possible. We are done with prepping our eyelids for the base. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use two palettes. I have this Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics, and this one is from Hip Dot, and I don't know what number. It just says pressed pigment palette. At first, I'm going to use this shade and this shade just to build up the eyeshadow, and then we're gonna go ahead with liner. I'm going to use a blending brush like this one, and first I'm gonna start with very light shades and see how it looks. Yeah, the leaves are moving, so is the lighting. Just bear with me, please. Oh, I'm liking how it's like such a soft, like peachy shade. We're gonna build it up for sure. And now comes a little bit of heavier shade. I just don't know how this is gonna look. Oh, it's pretty. Wow, I like this shade. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna take it to the brow bone. Okay, the lighting is moving again. I'm sure we can work with it. Okay, I just need to see. It's looking beautiful. What do you guys think? I really like it. I think it's beautiful. I'm just gonna go ahead with the lighter shades again to make sure it's nice and blended out. Oh, I have to show you guys my nails. I did my nails by myself, and at that time I hadn't thought that this was the top I was gonna wear for this video, so perfect. Oh, I like the eyeshadow just like this, and I wanna leave it right here. Oh, okay, I think we should move quickly. I'm just taking one of those lighter shades and putting it in the inner corner of the eye, kind of create like a gradient effect, and then again taking the darker shade and putting it in the outer corner of the eye. Wow, I want to leave the eyeshadow just right here just because how pretty it's looking. I actually went ahead and kept my ring lights on because it's pretty late when I'm filming and it wasn't showing the shadow shades correctly. But I hope you guys can see how the eyeshadow is looking for now. We're gonna go ahead with this Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and we're gonna use this shade right here because I think it's pretty much the same shade like my top. I mean, at least it looks like it. The shade name is Lucid Dream. To make any eyeliner from your eyeshadow, you just have to do one thing. You take some micellar water and you put it in like a cup where you can dip your brush. Then you take a brush like this, you dip it in the micellar water. Then you take your eyeshadow while you have micellar water on it, and you just dip the brush in your eyeshadow. We're gonna see how this works. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is a nice pink shade, but I think when it's dark it doesn't look exactly like it looks in the pan. Like if you see, this is the shade and this is how it came out on my eye. I'm going to try to put the dry shade on top as well to see if it gets more like lighter pink, like this shade. But I actually like this. I think it looks nice. It doesn't look bad. I'm going to do the other eye as well. Ooh, that's a nice wing. I like it. Alright guys, I went ahead and finished the eyeliner on both sides. I know this side was a short eyeliner, but because I made this one a bit longer, I wanted it to match, and this is how the look turned out, and I'm not mad about it. I'm going to add mascara and see if I want to add some lashes and be back right now. This is how the look turned out after I'm done with mascara. Let me know what you guys think about it. I really like doing these videos, giving myself a challenge to come up with a look, but I think the last one was so pretty with yellow and orange, and I'm loving this one too. I think it looks so beautiful. It's subtle but still glam in a way. But let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.